Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make masks at home. As we all know that there is a shortage of masks, but don't worry guys, you can make your own at home using ordinary clothes. For example, the clothes that are not in use anymore. Here I'm taking a scissor and now I'm going to cut them, and you must cut them according to the line, making it a rectangular shape. Here I'm giving a little bit space in order to stitch. It's a very simple way of making your own mask at home. You just have to take ordinary clothes and you just have to make the mark and then cut them, and yeah, you can stitch. Actually guys, this is my first try, and even me, I have no idea how to make it, but I'm learning. So yeah, and this is how you need to cut in rectangular shape. Also, do not forget to keep space in order to stitch. Here you can see I'm about to finish cutting, and I think it's done. Ta-da! It's done guys. Now I'm going to stitch them together from the side along the line all the way to the other side. Remember, you have to stitch it according to the line or else it will be disaster, and you have to stitch again and again. Now I'm about to finish stitching, so it's done. So you can see I stitched them all three sides, but I kept this side, as you can see, unstitched because I'm going to flip this. So now after flipping, I'm gonna stitch the whole thing just like this, and it's done. Now it's time for the belt, because here I don't have any elastic, but instead of elastic I'm gonna be using same clothes for the ear belt. Yeah, it will work guys, trust me. So now I'm taking rest and I'm having a tea because it's already 4 and I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm having tea. Hey everyone, and finally it's done, and this is how it looks. As you can see, I tried my best. So yeah, now this is how you have to wear your mask. It's a very simple tutorial. You can make your own mask at home. You don't need elastic, you don't need any other equipments, any new clothes. You just have to take ordinary clothes that are not in use anymore, and this is how it came out. I'm very happy because it was my first try. So yeah, so that's all for today guys. Remember, wash your hands properly, stay healthy, and yeah.